Imagine an alien-like creature, hundreds of feet long, drifting through the deep, dark ocean. It glows with an eerie, beautiful light, a living string of ghostly lanterns. This isn't science fiction. This is a siphonophore, one of the most bizarre and fascinating animals on our planet. And here's the craziest part. It's not one animal. It's a colony, a massive team of thousands of tiny, specialized individuals, all working together as one superorganism. Today, we re-dive in deep into the world of these incredible creatures to uncover the secrets of the longest animal on Earth. So, what exactly is a... Think of it like a floating city. Each individual organism, called a zooid, has a specific job. They are all clones, born from a single fertilized egg, but they develop differently to perform unique functions. You have zooids for swimming, called nectophores, which are like tiny jet engines pulsing water to move the colony. Then there are gastrozooids, the stomachs, responsible for catching and digesting prey. Somi-javelong stinging tentacles, called tentilla, that are armed with powerful venom to paralyze fish and crustaceans. And then there are the gonozooids, which are responsible for reproduction, creating the next generation of these complex colonies. It's the ultimate example of teamwork in the animal kingdom, where thousands of individuals sacrifice their independence to become part of something much, much bigger. This structure is what allows them to achieve such incredible lengths. In 2020, researchers off the coast of Australia discovered a siphonophore estimated to be 150 feet in diameter and nearly 400 feet long. To put that in perspective, that's longer than a blue whale, longer than a jumbo jet, making it a strong contender for the longest animal ever recorded. This particular species, a new type of apolemia, formed a massive spiral, a hunting posture that creates a wall of death for any small creature that drifts into it. Its sheer size is mind-boggling, especially when you remember it's all made of tiny, fragile, gelatinous bodies linked together. Now, let's talk about those tentacles. They are not to be trifled with. Siphonophores are related to jellyfish and corals, and they share the same weapon, stinging cells called nemitic. When a small fish or shrimp bumps into a tentacle, thousands of these microscopic, harpoon-like structures fire, injecting a potent neurotoxin. The venom is so effective that it can quickly immobilize prey, much larger than the individual zooid. For some species, like the infamous Portuguese man, which, yes, is technically a siphonophore, this sting can be incredibly painful to humans, though rarely fatal. The man-o-war is a bit of an outlier because it floats on the surface, using a gas-filled float, while most of its cousins live in the deep sea. Living in the crushing pressure and total darkness of the deep ocean presents a unique set of challenges. But siphonophores have an amazing adaptation bioluminescence. Many species can produce their own light. They don't just glow. They can create complex, flashing patterns. Scientists believe they use this light for several reasons. It can be used as a lure, attracting curious prey towards their waiting tentacles. Like a deep-sea, it can also be a defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator, a siphonophore might set off a dazzling display of flashing lights, a burglar alarm, that could startle the attacker or even more cleverly, attract a larger predator to come and take care of the immediate threat. Imagine being a deep-sea fish trying to take a bite, and suddenly your target explodes in a cascade of light, drawing the attention of something much bigger and hungrier than you. The diversity of siphonophores is astounding. There are over 175 known species, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some are long and thin like a piece of string, others are shaped like intricate chandeliers or feathered boas. Each design is perfectly adapted to its specific lifestyle and depth. Some are active swimmers, jetting through the water column, while others are more passive, simply drifting with the currents and waiting for food to come to them. This variety shows just how successful their colonial strategy has been, allowing them to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Reproduction in siphonophores is as complex as their body structure. Remember, these are the reproductive specialists. In some species, they release eggs and sperm into the water, hoping for a chance fertilization. In others, The process is more direct. Some gonozoids detach from the main colony and swim off as independent units called These are like self-contained reproductive modules, carrying both male and female parts. They swim freely, releasing their gametes away from the parent colony, helping to spread their genes far and wide. This dual strategy of colonial life and free-swimming reproduction is a remarkable evolutionary innovation. One of the reasons siphonophores remain so mysterious is their fragility. Their bodies are gelatinous and mostly water. When they are brought up from the deep sea in nets, the change in pressure and the rough handling often cause them to disintegrate into a pile of goo. It's like trying to catch a cloud. This is why most of our knowledge comes from remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with high-definition cameras. These underwater robots allow scientists to observe siphonophores in their natural habitat, undisturbed, revealing their true forms and behaviors. It's through this technology that we've witnessed their hunting strategies, their bioluminescent displays, and their incredible size. The colonial body plan of a siphonophore challenges our very definition of an individual. Is it one animal, or is it a colony of thousands? The answer is, it's both. The zooids cannot survive on their own, yet they are distinct organisms. This concept, the superorganism, is seen elsewhere in nature, like in ant colonies or beehives. But siphonophores take it to a whole new level of physical integration. Every zooid is permanently attached, sharing a common digestive and nervous system. They are so interconnected that the colony behaves as a single, coordinated entity. It's a beautiful and slightly unsettling glimpse into an alternative path of evil where cooperation completely overtakes individuality. Studying these creatures isn't just about satisfying our curiosity for the weird and wonderful. Siphonophores are important members of the deep-sea ecosystem. As predators, they play a crucial role in controlling populations of small fish and crustaceans. Their bioluminescence also contributes to the ambient light environment of the deep ocean, influencing the behavior of other animals. Furthermore, the unique compounds found in their venom could have potential applications in medicine. Scientists are always searching for new bioactive compounds, and the complex toxins developed by siphonophores could hold the key to new drugs and treatments. The deep sea is the last great frontier on our planet. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the bottom of our own oceans. Creatures like the siphonophore are a stark reminder of how much is still left to discover. Each new dive, each new observation, brings us closer to understanding the intricate web of life that thrives in the dark, cold depths. They are living proof that reality can be far stranger and more magnificent than anything we could ever imagine. A single organism that is also a city, a hunter that is a living net of light, and the longest creature in a world full of giants. The siphonophore truly is one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of siphonophores. If you found these creatures as mind-blowing as we do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let us know in the comments what deep-sea creature you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.